Now I am going to explain the next topic is economic importance of the family Fabaceae. The first we have see the pulses economic importance. So these are the some of the binomial name of the pulses. The first one is the Cajanus cajon, pigeon pea, and Phaseolus vulgaris, fresh bean, and Caesar arietinum, chickpea or chenna, Vigna mungo, black gram, and Vigna radiata, green gram, Vigna ungigulata, cowpea, and Glycine max, choya bean, and Macrotyloma uniflorum, horse gram. So these are the some of the pulses which is coming under the family Fabaceae. The useful parts of the pulses is seeds. So what's the uses of pulses? It is the rich sources of protein and starch of our food. Okay, we can see the pulses diagram. So this is the Cajanus cajon, pigeon pea, and this one is the Phaseolus vulgaris, fresh bean, and this is the Caesar arietinum, chenna, and this is the black gram, Vigna mungo, and this one is the Vigna radiata, green gram, and this is the Vigna unguiculata, cowpea, and Glycine max, and this one is the Macrotyloma uniflorum. And the above mentioned pulses we can mostly use in our houses. Okay. Then next one is the food plants. In this food plants we can see the binomial name. The first one is the Lablab purpureus, that is field bean. That is the Tamil name of the Lablab purpureus is avarai. Chespania grandiflora, agatti, and vegetable hummingbird. And next one is the Siamopsis tetragonaloba, cluster bean. Okay, in this among this Chespania grandiflora only used as a leaves. Okay, the useful part is the leaves, agatti kirai. Okay, then Lablab purpureus and Siamopsis tetragonaloba is used as a tender fruits. The useful part is tender fruits and used as a vegetable. Okay, we can see the picture. So this is the Lablab purpureus used as a vegetable, and this one is the Chespania grandiflora, agatti kirai, and this is also Siamopsis tetragonaloba, tender fruit. We can use as the vegetables. The next one is the oil plants. In this oil plants we can see the two plant. One is the Arachis kypochea, shortly we can told groundnut, and Pongamia pinnata, pungam in Tamil name. Then both the plant, the useful part is the seeds. We can use just some seeds. Then oil extracted from the seeds is edible and used for cooking. In this Arachis hypochea, the oil is extracted from, and we can use just some use this oil for cooking in our kitchen. Okay, then this is the pungam plant seeds. The pungam oil has the medicinal value and is used in the preparation of soap also. Okay, then useful for is the seeds. The next one is the timber plants. So in this timber plants we can see the timbers. The first one is the Talbogia latifolia, rosewood, and Pterocarpus sandalinus, red sandalwood, and Pterocarpus dalbergioides, patak, and Pterocarpus marzubium. Okay, so these are the trees we can use as a timber. So timber is mostly used for making furniture, cabinet articles, and as building materials. Okay, we can see